Today we will be using polynomials to help us solve a problem. Let's begin. A chemistry professor calculates final grades for her class using polynomial a equals 0.3f plus 0.15h plus 0.4t plus 0.15p, where a is the final grade, f is the final exam, h is the homework average, and t is the chapter test average, and p is the semester project. The following table is containing the grades for our various students in the class. As you can see, we have Alex, Ashley, Baron, Elizabeth, Gabe, and Lynn. Today, we will be using Alex as an example. To solve this polynomial, we must solve for a, so therefore we must substitute f, h, t, and p with the given number. For Alex, f equals 77, h equals 95, t equals 79, and p equals 85. After substituting, we can now multiply 0.3 times 77 plus 0.15 times 95 plus 0.4 times 79 plus 0.15 times 85. After multiplying, we get 23.1 plus 14.25 plus 31.6 plus 12.75. After adding everything up, we find out that a equals 81.7, and we must round to the first decimal place. So Alex's final grade is 81.7. And by using these same steps, we're able to find the other students' final grades. Here we have everybody's grades. And to answer question number 2, who has the highest total score? Our answer is Gabe, who has the highest total score of 90.5 because we rounded up by 1 decimal point. Now for question 3. Why is the final grade raised more with a grade of 100 on the final exam than with the grade of 100 on the semester project? The final grade is raised more with a grade of 100 on the final exam than with the grade of 100 on the semester project because the final exam, F, grade is weighted at 0.3 and the project grade, P, is weighted at 0.15. 0.3 is a bigger decimal than 0.15, so it has a greater impact and therefore raises the grade more. Alright, in question 4, assume you are a student in this class. With 1 week until the final exam, you have a homework average of 85, a test average of 85, and a 95 on the semester project. What score must you make on the final exam to achieve at least a 90.0 overall? Round your answer to the nearest decimal place. We can use the same steps that we used at the beginning, except this time we are given A, which is 90, and we must solve for F. So now our problem is 90 equals 0.3F plus 0.15 times 85 plus 0.4 times 85 plus 0.15 times 95. From that, we get 90 equals 0.3F plus 12.75 plus 34 plus 14.25. And then we add all the numbers together and we get 90 equals 0.3F plus 61. From there on, we subtract 61 from both sides and we get 90 minus 61, which equals 29, and then 61 minus 61 cancels out. So then our new equation is 29 equals 0.3F. From there on, we divide by 0.3F to get rid of the number and just stay with the variable. And from there, we get F equals 96.7.